In this video, let me start with the solved questions from the textbook. Okay, so here we will begin with the multiplying a monomial with the monomial numbers. So basically we are doing here multiplication of monomial is nothing but one term with another term. Okay, and after that we are going to learn about the multiplying a polynomial with the mono. Okay, more than one term we will say polynomial. Okay, similarly multiplying polynomial with the again with the polynomial. So these kind of questions we are going to study in these solved questions. After this I'll start with the exercise. Example 7, multiply 6a square b cube and minus a cube b raised to the power 4. So we need to multiply this monomial with this monomial here. And as I told you, monomial is nothing but there will be only one term. Now see here, first we will multiply constant. Okay, before that 6 it is having a positive sign, plus into minus will be having minus 6 4s are 24. Now look at this, a with a we need to multiply. So both are the same base, yes, and we can add the powers 2 plus 3. Here it is 2 and this 8 is having a 3. Now after that we are having the variable that is b. Okay, now see here both bases are same here. Okay, now powers we need to add 3 plus 4. Now we need to add the powers. 2 plus 3 is 5 and here 3 plus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So we found the answer minus 24 a raised to the power 5 b raised to the power 7 after multiplication of these monomials here. Okay. Example 8, multiply 8a square b minus 3ab plus 5b square by 6ab. So this polynomial we have to multiply by this monomial here. So more than one term we will say polynomials, and here we are having only one term, that is monomial. So I'm going to multiply 6ab with this polynomial, and this polynomial I'm going to put it in the bracket now. Okay, now 8a square b minus 3ab plus 5b square here. Now we will start multiplying first with this and later with this and later with this last term. Okay, now 6 8s are 48. Now look at the same base. So same base a, here it is nothing, it is there means there will be 1, remember here 1 plus 2, and here look at the next base that is b. I can see here 1, there will be 1, so 1 plus 1 we need to add. Now after that I'll do, now the next one is plus minus will be having minus sign. 6 3s are 18. Again similarly there will be 1 power, so a 1 plus 1 and for the b 1 plus 1, and directly we can just skip this step and we can just directly add. Okay, now after that plus into plus will be having plus 6 5s are 30, and here 8 is not there. Okay, let me write only a1 this, and the for b will be having 1 plus 2. Okay, 48 a 1 plus 2 is 3, b 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 18 a 1 plus 1 is 2, b 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 30 a b raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we found answer 48 a cube b square minus 18 a square b square plus 30 a b cube here. Example 9, multiply x square minus 4x plus 7 by x minus 2. So in this question we both we are having here polynomials which is more than one term, we will say polynomial here, and this polynomial we have to multiply by this polynomial. So I'm going to write like this, x minus 2. Okay, so you can just put it in the bracket also, and the next which is we have to put again in the bracket because we have to multiply here. Okay, now x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay, now see here, once we will multiply with this each term like this. Okay, then after that we will start multiplying minus 2 with the each term of the second polynomial like this. Okay, now we will begin x into x, same bases are there, x, and here nothing it is there means there will be 1, here also 1. So now I am going to do directly 1 plus 2 is, that is 3. In the next step x into minus 4x, that I will be having minus 4 x raised to the power 1 plus 1 is, we will get 2. Next step there is a plus, I mean plus into plus, plus x into 7, I'll be having 7x. Okay, now we have done with this. Now we will go to the minus 2. Minus 2 into plus x will be having minus 2x square. Okay, minus plus 2 4s are 8, and here it is x. Now minus plus minus 2 7s are 14. Okay, and here we are having the like term, so still further we can simplify this question. So x cube, there is only one term, so let me write as it is. X square, we are having here two terms. Okay, so minus minus, it means like sign, so we need to add 4 plus 2 is 6 and the variable which is x square, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign here. So we have done with this. Let me make a circle, so we'll be having a, we'll be not having any confusion in the next step. Now plus 7x plus 8x, that are the like terms. Okay, since the like signs it is having, so we need to add 7x plus 8x, I'll be having 15x, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Okay, after that minus 14. So this is the what, after multiplication we will find the answer here. Example number 10, multiply 2x cube minus 7x plus 8 by 3x square plus 2x. So this polynomial we are going to multiply by this polynomial here. So I'm writing here 3x square plus 2x and put it in this bracket. Now again this polynomial we are going to put it in the bracket only. 2x cube minus 7x plus 8 here. Okay, now first I will start multiplying this term with the each term of the this polynomial. Okay, like 3 to the 6 and both bases are same, so I'll directly add the powers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now in the next we will go to the next term, plus 3 into minus 7, that will be minus 7 3 is 21. Now both bases are same, so we can add the powers. 2 and here nothing it is there, means there will be 1. Similarly here, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the next term, plus into plus plus. Okay, and here 3 8s are 24, and here it is only x square, because this term doesn't have any variables here, it's a simple constant. Now we have done with this term. Now we will go to the next term, that is 2 here. Okay, so let's start multiplying this 2x with the each term of this polynomial here. 2 to the 4, and before that plus into plus will be having plus. Now both bases are same, so we will add the powers. 1 plus 3 is, that is 4, x raised to the power 4, plus into minus minus. 2 7s are 14, x raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus into plus plus. 2 8s are 16, and here it is x. Okay, now we will find the like terms here. Shall we get anything? Yes, we will get here. So before that, here it is having 6 into x raised to the power 5. Okay, after that let me write 4x raised to the power 4, and here we are having cube, that is minus 21 x cube. Okay, we have done with this. Now here it is, you can find the like terms. Okay, so plus and minus we need to subtract. 24 minus 14, I'll be having 10, and the variable which is x square, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Okay, we have done with this. Now only left with 16x. Okay, therefore after multiplying these two polynomials we will get this as the answer here. Okay, example 11, the adjacent sides of a rectangle are 3x square minus 2xy plus 5y square and 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square. Find the area of the rectangle here. Okay, so we need to find the area of the rectangle here. So first we will consider any one of the polynomial as a length and one polynomial as a breadth. Okay, so in the question it has been said that is the figure which is a rectangle. Let me draw here rectangle. Okay, give a name A, B, C, D. And one more word it has been used, that adjacent side. Adjacent side means the sides which will be having a common vertex. Okay, like this, for this adjacent side this is, and here it is also. We cannot say this side and this sides are adjacent side. These are the opposite sides here. Okay, and this for rectangle, two sides has been given, so we can consider either this length or this breadth, or either we can consider this as a breadth or this as a length, anything, whatever, no problem. Okay, now for the formula of area of rectangle we are having, that is area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Okay, now see here, length we will consider this in the question. Okay, and in the formula 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square into this as a breadth. Okay, now put it in the both polynomials in the bracket only when we are doing a multiplication, plus 5y square. Okay, now we need to multiply this polynomial with this polynomial. So what I will do, I will start multiplying this first term of the polynomial with each term of the second polynomial here. Like 2 3s are, I'll be having 6, and both bases are same, so we can add the powers directly. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, after that plus 2 minus 2, that is minus, I mean plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4, and see here, here it is x and here it is x, nothing it is there, means there will be power 1. Okay, so only we have to add the powers which are the same bases, and here 2 plus 1 is 3 and y remains only 1 because here it is no y. After that, plus into plus, that is plus 2 5 is 10 x square y square, this is okay. Now we will go to the next term of this polynomial. Again we have to multiply with each term of the polynomial separately here. Plus into plus, plus 5 3 is 15 x, 2 plus 1 is 3 y, which is only 1 there. Okay, now after this, plus into minus, minus 5 2 is 10 x, that is powers are, we need to add 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly y, for 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, we got here minus 10x square y square. After this we'll go to the next term, plus 5 5 is 25, here it is only x, and for y 1 plus 2, that is 3 here. Okay, now we will go to the next term. Okay, that is again we have to multiply with the each term. Minus plus will be having minus 3 3 is 9, okay, x square y square. After that, minus minus plus 3 2 is 6 x y raised to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3. Minus plus minus 3 5 is 15, and here it is only we are having variable y, and the powers we need to add 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, now after this we have to look after the like terms. Okay, now here it is x raised to the power 4, only 1 it is there. Okay, so let me write 6x raised to the power 4. Okay, we have done with this. Let me make a circle here, so we will be not having any confusion in the next step. Here it is x cube y, and here it is x cube y, right? So these terms having the unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 15 minus 4, I'll be having 11, and write the terms x cube y, that is, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Okay, now let me make a circle here with the signs. Okay, now we will go to the next term, that is x square y square, and here I'm having x square y square, and here also I'm having x square y square. Now we are having 3 like terms here, right? So 10, this get cancels, right? We can do the cancellation, and we left with only this term, that is minus 9x square y square I can write, right? So again let me make a circle here. You can just do it with the pencil, okay? And the next term, that is xy cube, and here it is xy cube, and that these terms are having the like sign, so we need to add, right? 6 plus 5 is 11, carry here 2 plus 1 is 3, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, and the variables which is xy cube here. Okay, we done with this. Now we have left with only one term, that is minus 15 y raised to the power 4. So this is what? This is the area of the rectangle here. Okay.